The Elephant and the Crocodile. A long, long time ago, elephants had small trunks. Their trunks were not as long as they are now. One day, an elephant went to the river to drink water. He saw a crocodile in the river. The elephant made fun of him. "Hey, you ugly-looking creature. I wonder why you are not small and good-looking like the other animals. Now I'll teach you a lesson." The crocodile became angry with the elephant. "Leave me, you are hurting me." The crocodile cut elephant's trunk in his mouth. The elephant cried out in pain and tried to pull his trunk away. The elephant pulled his nose away, but the crocodile held onto it. Soon the other animals heard the elephant's cries and came to help. They pulled the elephant by the tail, and finally the elephant was able to set his nose free. But his nose had become too long. "Boo-hoo! Look what has happened to my nose. What will I do now?" All the animals calmed him and told him the benefits of a long trunk. "Don't be upset. Now you can easily drink water. You can even pick up things from the ground," said they, while trying to cheer him up. So the elephant felt happy again. From that day, elephants have long trunks.